Alright everybody, so I got the carpet out of fried rice the other day. You can see it's pretty gross in there. Still got to clean it all up. But today we're going to be cleaning the carpet and painting it because it is a hideous gray color. My buddy Sheen came here to help out, but pretty much just sprayed it down, wet it, and threw some dish soap on there. I'll be using this good old brush to suds it up and clean it. I've already gone through and done one cycle, so it's looking a little bit better. But this is what happens when you have a car throughout high school, you know, partying, spilling drinks, you know, just being rowdy,
possibly
doing hood rat shit.
Possibly throwing up in the back seat, maybe.
A couple times. So yeah, we're gonna just clean it up, try and get what dirt and filth we can out of it, and I'm gonna spray paint it black today. So yeah, just let's look at how nasty this is real quick. Just a little bit of scrubbing. You can see it brings out all the dirt. As I said, I've already gone through once, so wasn't as bad as the first time. But it is hot out here today in Arizona, so
109 degrees out here.
yeah, it's probably gonna get past 110.
Yep.
Oh, thanks, bud. That's what real friends are for. Alrighty guys, so we are just waiting for the carpet to dry now. It's pretty dry up at the thinner parts, but where the padding is still a little damp. But out in this Arizona sun, it'll be dry in like not even 30 minutes. But in the meantime, while that was drying, took the time to clean out this. You'll probably see earlier that there was just like a bunch of nasty resin and stuff just built up everywhere, dirt and everything. I mean, over time it gets pretty nasty. So just did the best I could there, vacuumed it, and I used some good old, you know, smell good cleaner, so it actually smells nice in there. But yeah, we'll update you again when we start laying paint. Alright guys, so it is the next day. Unfortunately, the carpet did not dry completely yesterday, but after sitting overnight, I think it's dry enough to, you know, start painting. It's definitely a little bit damp on the pads, but I just got the whole thing vacuumed down, made sure it was nice and clean. I just taped off a little plastic part. I mean, it's black, but I just figured might as well tape it off and keep it, you know, how it was looking before, because it honestly didn't look too bad. So we're gonna start painting, and I'll get a clip of that. So let's get started. So after 2 cans of this vinyl and fabric duplicolor spray paint, black of course, we're looking pretty good. Pretty much got rid of all the gray there, so definitely glad I bought 2 cans. I honestly could have got 3 just to spend on extra like lighter parts, but tried to keep the lighter parts under the seat and stuff. If anything, it all does look way better than it did before. I mean, you can't see any stains or anything on there. It's just black, so that'll look really clean. Super hyped about that. I may even run to the store and get another can just to get it a lot darker. I did end up going to AutoZone for another can of that paint. I just wanted to make sure it was nice and fully covered. I literally did the whole can again, so there's definitely no light spots or anything now. It just looks like it came this way. Honestly, it looks great, so I'm really happy with the way it came out. I'll show you guys what it looks like installed in the car in the next video, so stay tuned.